All right, check this out. We have a brand new 3.2 USB extender. The way we have it set up right here is we're coming out of the laptop, going into the host. Then we're using RS-232 control to come into our controller for our PTZ camera. We're running 323 feet through Cat6A cable to the receiver. Power is only on the transmitter. So this is all powered over HD base T. Then it goes power out of the USB port up to our USB camera up there. And then we're able to control from a distance of 320 feet and able to zoom and control the camera. This is going to be a great addition to all of your USB needs. Go ahead and call us or email us at zenti.com, sales@zenti.com, support@zenti.com, and we will take care of you and get you hooked up. Thank you.